As a blogger, your success depends on your readers' engagement. To keep them interested, you must create high-quality content that adds value to their lives and keeps them coming back for more. However, high-quality content does not just benefit your readers, it also benefits your blog. In this chapter, we will explore the importance of creating high-quality content and how you can achieve this. We will cover why quality is more important than quantity, the significance of value-added content, and how to determine your readers' needs and preferences. Quality over quantity. One common mistake that many bloggers make is prioritizing quantity over quality. While it is essential to create content regularly, pumping out mediocre posts just for the sake of consistency will not keep your readers engaged. Instead of focusing on the number of posts you publish, prioritize the quality of your content. Each post should be engaging, thoughtful, and informative, providing your readers with value that they can use in their daily lives. Value-added content. To create high-quality content, you must strive to add value to your readers' lives. Your content should teach them something new, offer helpful advice, or entertain them in a way that makes them want to come back for more. Think of it this way. If your blog does not add value to your readers' lives, they will likely find a more useful blog to follow. However, if you consistently produce valuable content, your readers will keep coming back for more and may even share your posts with their networks. Determining your readers' needs and preferences. To create content that adds value to your readers' lives, you must first understand their needs and preferences. You can begin by asking yourself the following questions. Who is my target audience? What are their interests and pain points? What type of content do they prefer, e.g., how-to guides, news articles, listicles, etc.? What questions do they need answers to? Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, you can create content that addresses their needs and preferences. You can also use tools such as Google Analytics and social media analytics to gather data and insights about their behavior and interests. Conclusion. Creating high-quality content is crucial for maintaining a successful blog. It not only keeps your readers engaged but also helps your blog stand out in a crowded digital world. By prioritizing quality over quantity, adding value to your readers' lives, and understanding their needs and preferences, you can create content that builds a loyal and engaged audience. If you found these tips helpful and are eager to dive deeper, we want to ask you to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated, and we're also thrilled to offer you a 7-day free trial to our vibrant online community. Gain access to hundreds of courses covering a wide range of topics. Simply click the link in the description to explore further.